So to assemble the cabinets, we're going to need some basic hand tools. We've got our drill with a Phillips bit. We've got, of course, a knife. We've got some wood glue. We've got a rubber mallet. And then we've also got a pin nailer. So this may be the only thing you don't have at home. These are readily available at box stores. I think this guy was around $150. You can use an air-powered one or electronic. Both is fine. We're just looking for something that fires 18 gauge brad nails, and that's going to help to assemble our cabinets. So these are quick, easy to use. These are incredibly safe tools. So our brad nails we're using are 18 gauge, 1.25 inches in length. You're going to find all kinds of various lengths to these guys. 1.25 inches is what we're looking for. And then our wood glue is just regular. I'm using Gorilla wood glue here. There's all kinds of different wood glues. Doesn't really make a difference, just get one you're comfortable with as long as it's a good quality glue. We've got a brush here we're going to use to apply the glue. This is kind of an optional step, but we're going to show you the proper ways to do it today.